अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, होप सो यू विल बी फाइन। जुलियाना उस्मान आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है एंड यू आर वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो वी वर डूइंग एक्टिव वॉइस एंड पैसिव वॉइस। The today's topic is about past indefinite tense, and we will make the sentences of past indefinite but in passive voice. You know very well that in past indefinite tense we insert verb second form when we make simple sentences. So we have to insert verb second form, and this structure deals with simple tenses or active voice. You can say subject, verb second form, object, full stop. The second verb shows that this structure deals with past indefinite, and when we will make passive voice, we have to insert object first, then afterwards after object we have to apply was or were as a helping verb, and as I have told you that in passive voice we have to insert verb third form, later on by according to the rule, and at the last subjective pronoun. Alright, pronoun. So there are some sentences which are about past indefinite tense, such as they this is second form of they ate the burger, we heard the news, she sang a song, I learned a lesson, you cleaned the room. So how I will change it in passive voice? This is an affirmative sentence. The burger is object. The burger is an object, but it is singular. That is why was will come. ओके जब हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों की बात करेंगे तो हम वर्ड लगाएंगे. द बर्गर वॉज ईटन. ईटन इज वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म फॉर खाना. द बर्गर वॉज ईटन बाय. वी का क्या है? सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन है अस. द बर्गर वॉज ईटन बाय अस. You are looking here that I am following the rules of formula. So let's come to second sentence. We heard the news. The news is object. And the news was heard. क्योंकि news जो है खबर को कहते हैं. That is why was will come here. Heard. The third form of heard is also heard. Second and third forms are same. So the news was heard by according to formula. Then we will convert into us. Sorry, I have written here us, which is incorrect, because here is they, so I will apply here them. And we heard the news. The news was heard by us. We will be converted into us according to formula. She sang a song. Sang a song, उसने गाना गाया. So a song it means my object is singular, that is why our song, and our song itself denotes that this is a singular object, and with singular object we will apply was. You have to choose that you have to apply either was or were. If the object will be if the object will be was, then if the object will be singular, then you will apply was. लेकिन अगर object जो है plural होगा, you will apply were. A song was after was you have to apply verb third form. And what is verb here? Sang. It means we are talking about gana gana, sang. And the third form of sang is sung. A song was sung, then by according to formula. A song was sung by her. She will be converted into her. Then I learned a lesson. I learned a lesson. You can see here at the last object will come. So we will choose the words which are used in last of the sentence. So a lesson. A lesson. A lesson is still a lesson. It means singular object. A lesson was. A lesson was. Then what is verb? Learned. The third form of learned is learned. The first form is L-E-A-R-N, learn. Then learned. Then learnt. L-E-A-R-N-T. Learned. A lesson was learnt by me. Alright. At the last you will apply full stop because this is in affirmative sentence. You clean the room. तुमने रूम की सफाई की. या तुमने रूम की सफाई की थी. So the room is, let me make it as rooms. Rooms मैंने इसलिए कर दिया है. You clean the rooms. तो अब मुझे जो है, मैंने क्यों ऐसा किया? So as I can tell you that how we will apply verb. So the rooms verb. मैं एक से ज्यादा कमरों की बात कर रही हूँ. So the rooms were cleaned. See, the second form is जो है clean की cleaned है, and third form also will remain same, cleaned. The rooms were cleaned by according to formula, and you will remain you will not be changed here. So this was affirmative. These were affirmative sentences, and I have converted them into passive voice. Now we will do the same but in negative sense. So now we are doing negative sentences, and I will convert active voice into passive voice, but we will make negative sentences. Alright. So the simple formula I have also written here, and this shows that this formula deals with active voice, or we can say tenses. ये past in, ये जो है past indefinite tense है, but in negative. Subject, did not, verb first form, object, and at the last full stop. Alright. So when we will convert active voice into passive voice, so object, was or were, then not, verb third form, by, then subjective pronoun. So they did not eat the burger. The burger. So must remember one thing, that we did not, we have to apply verb first form. But in affirmative we have to apply verb second form. The burger was according to formula, because burger is singular object. Then you have to add not. The burger was not eaten. Eaten is third form of eat. The burger was not eaten by according to formula. and at the last you have to apply them because they will be converted into them. Pronoun है ये they का. We did not hear the news. The news. The news. With news I am applying the y because the news word shows all directions and north, east, west and south. The news was not, मतलब एक खबर की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. The news was not heard. Heard is the third form of hear. Hear means sunna and heard is second form and the heard is third form. The news was not heard and by according to formula, and at the last you have to apply us because we will be changed into us. Let's come to third sentence. She did not sing a song. Don't forget these changings because with did not you will not apply the second form, you have to apply first form of the verb. She did not sing a song. So a song object, then was not. A song was not. Learn is second form and learnt is third form. A song was not learnt. Then by according to formula her. Full stop. Fourth is I did not learn a lesson. मैंने सबक याद नहीं किया. A lesson is object. Was according to formula not. Sorry, in third sentence I had to write sung, but mistakenly I have written learned. Sung. Okay, sing, sang, sung. A lesson was not learned. The third form of learn is learned. So must remember one thing. L-E-A-R-N, learn. First spelling L-E-A-R-N-E-D, N-E-D, learned. Second form L-E-A-R-N-T, learned. Third form. ठीक है, learned, learned, learned. If this is not visible to you, I am writing here learn first form, learned second form and learned third form. Alright, a lesson was not learnt by according to formula and then me. A lesson was not learned by me. You did not clean the rooms. Okay, so the rooms object, because rooms are more than one, that is why verb will come here. Verb will be used here as a helping verb. The rooms were not cleaned. Cleaned is third form and the second form is also same. The rooms were not cleaned by you. Alright. So today I have made you understand about affirmative and negative sentences, and tomorrow we will do about interrogative and negative plus interrogative. I hope so you like my video, and if you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis. It is your duty to do practice of this grammar lessons, because it is very important, and without practice or exercise you cannot learn English. The practice is very necessary element in English. सो तब तक के लिए आप दुनियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।